Hi, my name is Kerwin. Today I will present my final project. So my project is about Hangman, and it was inspired by the Hangman game I used to play in school. So I learned about lists and functions which I use in my project. The the first one here is an example of list. It will a list will store words or some data you want to memorize it. In functions, you can make the code um, shorter and easier to modify or to read. So this is some example in my project that I used. So this is my project, and let me run. And that's how it works. So my favorite part about working on this project is was creating the hint feature. So this is what the hint power looks like. When you type the hint in, it will it will it will give you one correct hint and one wrong. I mean one correct letter and one wrong letter, and it will help you get through the the question, but not not that easy. So if I were if I were continuing my work on this project, I will add um I'll maybe draw a hangman during the game, make it more fun, and um and I will add more words in the word list and add a part that you can choose level, and that is my presentation. Thank you.